This is John Kim, majoring in architecture at Chosen University. It is an eco-plant center where people stay and nature grows. Eco-plant provides choose food space with nature, startup space using natural materials, and cultural space using products created through cultural activities. It's a problem finding. I started my work focusing on social behavior and change. As indoor activities spread in response to Corona, the trend of online shopping has expanded. Accordingly, we checked the increase in the amount of delivery food transactions and waste generation. The amount of recycled waste in Guangzhou metropolitan city is increasing, and activities using recycling are also increasing. I'd like to present an upcycling as a material for recycling. The site is located in Guangzhou Chun Stream, where green areas intersect. If a new cultural space is established in a place of mixed characteristic like a park, it will create an active community among people. I thought I could create it. Next, we set up the overall progress of the program. It's the whole mechanism. It is based on the overall mechanism of the community. It starts with various activities through consumption and production activities, rest and social activities. The activity creates waste within a year, which is used as a resource for the center's activities. It will be used again as a resource for the community. This is a diagram of the overall direction of the center. It is set based on the overall circulation system. It is a system that gets materials from the community and returns them back to society through production and design. In the interior space is set up to effectively build these environments. It is a program following direction. We have divided the space around the overall mechanism. It was conducted with the concept of upcycling center where people and nature work together. It revolves around basic everyday waste. There are 3 types of transportation, which I suggested in consideration of the basic surroundings. I chose resources that can be easily obtained such as boxes, clothes, plastic, and coffee grounds. I came up with a conceptual diagram that the more basic resources are raised to seeds, the more diverse values and sizes they have. The space was linked according to the use of transportation and resources, and the expected size of the space was set accordingly. Lastly, we checked the connection and spatiality of the site, according to the characteristics of the site. Site analysis. The site is located in Yanglimdong, Namgu, Guangzhou, and it is a space with various characteristics and overlapping axes. The site is Chonbianhua, up to 468 to 482. It's a land built along the river's side. It covers up to -4,000 floors and +6,000 hills. It is located westward relative to the axis of the celestial side. Also, the green road symbolizing Guangzhou's green axis is located in the east. It is located in an extension of transportation and culture that crosses the heart of the city with 2 axes at the center. It's program zoning based on overall content. We tied a connection of conceptual programs in consideration of frequency, openness, and managerial characteristics. A total of 3 concepts were presented. Based on this, we applied it to the topographical content of the site and expanded it into a vertical space. We tried to actively use the surrounding elements and reach out to the residents in the same way as one. Overall, it's an out that looks like a square. This is a site analysis video. Space settings are proposed according to the topology of each axis. Although it is dependent on the role of each space, it has a design element that takes into account the connectivity of the spaces and the fluidity of the movements. Each slope provides users with new experiences and recharges energy. I will finish the video about my graduation work. Thank you.